The Ford Edge key fob battery replacement is a simple process you can do yourself. First, locate the seam on your key fob, typically on the back or side. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to gently open the case at the seam. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this can damage the plastic clips holding it together. Once open, note the orientation of the battery, specifically which side faces up. Most Ford Edge key fobs use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Gently remove the old battery and make sure not to use any sharp objects that could damage the surrounding components. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the key fob, ensuring that the positive side is facing the same direction as the old battery you removed. Incorrect polarity can cause the fob to malfunction. Once the new battery is in place, carefully snap the key fob case back together. Ensure that all the clips are securely fastened to prevent the fob from accidentally opening. After reassembly, test the functionality of your key fob by trying the remote start, lock, unlock, and panic features on your Ford Edge. If the fob doesn't work, you may need to reprogram it using the Ford Pass app or visit a Ford dealer. Replacing the battery yourself can save you $70 to $145.